We are live. What's going on, guys? There's a disaster. Look at that. How's it going, guys? Good evening. Good evening. Let's have a look at the markets here, man. Bit of a mixed bag today. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Make sure you guys are doing your research. Also, guys, check out the channel sponsor, LBank, in the description below. Do your spot trading, leverage trading, and your copy trading down there. No KYC required. And also, guys, check out the members side. $4.99 a month supports the channel, gets you exclusive content. I just uploaded a new video to the members side about an hour ago. So if you want to check out those gem videos, definitely jump over to the members side for that. And I also have scheduling a one-on-one with one of the members for Sunday. We're going to do a one-on-one. We're going to have a little bit of a crypto chat. We're going to give some advice. We're going to look at some portfolios. We're going to have a good time. So if you want the ability to schedule one-on-ones and stuff as well, check out the member side for that. Anyway, guys, William, how's it going, brother? Good to see you here, man. First one in the chat, brother. Good to see you, man. First thing I wanted to cover was CASPA down 10%. Amazing pullback opportunity, you guys, to DCA. I would not recommend passing up the opportunity, down 4.7 cents. BTC is still holding 27,000. Tarax is up 7%. Nice little pump going on there. What else do we got? Quant, $89 Quant, guys. What a steal of a price for Quant. You cannot go wrong. Immutable X pumping 31% right now. Unbelievable. Good week for them. SEI network down 3%. Good DCA opportunity. Jasmy's basically even on the day. DCA opportunities for this evening, guys. I'm going to have to go with SEI network, CASPA, obviously, and Quant. That's what I'm going to have to go with for DCAs. What else we got going on? Eleanor Tourette, overheard at Masari Crypto, mainnet 2023 presidential candidate Vivek Ramsey says he plans to have a comprehensive crypto policy framework by Thanksgiving. He also said he would include the SEC Gov in his planned 75% cut to federal workers if he wins the White House. Wouldn't that be amazing if he cut 75% of the budget for the SEC? Later. More from Eleanor Tourette. Confirmed today, Patrick McHenry confirms my August 30th scoop that Gary Gensler will testify before the Financial Committee next Wednesday. That is the one where he's going to be sweating bullets, you guys. It's going to be awesome. They're going to hold his feet to the fire. I cannot wait. Get your popcorn. It's going to be great. What do we got here? Remember, we only need a few to make it. This space is still so new that when the few projects that do make it to mass adoption, their valuations will be exponentially higher than where they are today. And the reason that I brought this up, guys, is because it's very true. This is why I say you need to be diversified, right? Is because if you're well diversified and you're not just all in one project, you have, let's say, 5, 6 solid DCA projects, good utility, good fundamentals, good team, like CASPA, for example, Jasmy, XRP, Cardano, so on and so forth, right? You have a nice diverse portfolio. You only need a couple of those to make it, right? You don't need them all to. If you're putting all your eggs in one basket, you need that one project to make it. So keep that in mind, guys. When you're building your portfolios, make sure that you are well diversified, right? Now, if you don't have tons and tons of money, don't try and scoop up 20 projects. For me, a healthy diversification in your portfolio, depending on how much money you have to put in, 4 to 5 top projects, and then play with the other projects after that, in my opinion. My primary ones, like I said, Caspa, XRP. What are my top ones right now? Caspa, XRP, HBAR, Algorand, and probably Quant are my top holdings. And then I'm diversified through, multiple others like Jasmy and things like that, XLM, Taraxa, things like that. So well diversified. Crypto Darren says, I received multiple phone calls reporting that individuals are traveling from around the globe, and Ripple is issuing additional tickets without ensuring admittance. It's terrible to think about the significant amount of money spent on airfare for this event. So that's the thing, guys. If you are going to this free Ripple event, the party to celebrate the victory, keep in mind, you guys, that Ripple is giving out more tickets than there are people allowed to be there. So they've done that, and they've said first come, first serve basis. So get there early, or just because you have a ticket does not mean that you will get in. You have to get there early. And the reason behind doing this, they said, is because they fear a lot of people are going to reserve tickets and not show up, not make it, whatever the case might be. So they're over giving away these, I want to say selling, but the tickets are free. So just, guys, make sure if you're flying in there, you're driving in there, whatever you're doing into New York on the 29th of September for this party, make sure that you get there early, okay? On-chain AI. On-chain AI's version for the close of 2023 and beyond. Our development is on track with exciting undertakings in the pipeline. OCAI holders anticipate a delightful surprise set to be unveiled soon and launched in early October. This will be complemented by the pre-mainnet marketing drive, amplifying on-chain AI's presence ahead of the mainnet launch. Come November, we're gearing up for the mainnet release, featuring intrinsic on-chain utilities from the outset. These utilities have been architected to foster swift adaptation and engagement with the on-chain AI mainnet. A vibrant community dynamic. Okay. Post mainnet rollout, the subsequent weeks and months will usher in a I am tongue-tied this evening. Holy crap. Mirade of fresh on-chain utilities, as well as an introduction of pioneering Web3 AI productions. These strategic developments are poised to accelerate mainnet adoption, appealing to both creators and users alike, enhancing our visibility through strategic marketing initiatives, and centralized exchange listings remains a cornerstone of our roadmap. The future is on-chain. Guys, this is a very, very early AI project that we are very bullish on. Ticker is OCAI. If you haven't heard of it, it's on-chain AI. I believe that we did a breakdown video on the members side. I know we recorded one. I'm not sure if we launched it yet, but if we didn't, we will be soon. So keep an eye out for that. If you want access to it, jump over to the member side, guys. As I said earlier, we released another video on the member side about an hour ago. So if you want to check that stuff out, definitely check out the member side. Federal Reserve pauses interest rate hikes. With all eyes on the U.S. Federal Reserve September meeting, they have officially opted to pause interest rate hikes for a second consecutive meeting. Indeed, the agency has placed the hike on hold for the time being. with projections set to determine whether or not future hikes will be necessary. From March 22nd, 2022 to 2023, the Fed raised interest rates in 10 consecutive meetings. These increases ranged anywhere from 25 basis points to 50 basis points. Yet in June, the Fed opted to pause that year-long tightening policy, an action that has been replicated by officials today. Didn't we have like a 75-point rate hike at one point and almost like a 1%? I thought we had those in there. It might have just been talk, but I'm almost sure that we had like a 1% hike in there at one point, like last year. For more than a year, the Federal Reserve has fought persistent inflation with the United States. The agency has attempted to keep the country from a recession while the labor market supports a tightening campaign, all in the midst of the worst rise in inflation since the 1980s. Now the Federal Reserve has opted to pause its interest rate hikes for the second time. Specifically, officials met in September to signal that it is not raising rates following its June action. Yet the Fed is still observing economic data, and there is an expectation that more interest rate hikes will be needed before the end of the year. Fed Chair Jerome Powell is expected to hold a meeting with the media 30 minutes after the decision is made. There, he will set out and discuss the FOMC meeting, and the conclusion of the Fed ultimately arrived. So basically, he had this meeting earlier today, and they did pause, and he did say that they were expecting to have to increase rate hikes at least one more time before the end of the year. So we will see how that story continues to unfold. I wonder if you'll wait till Christmas. I had to throw this in here because I think it's absolutely epic. Ben Armstrong says, if a stream happens in the forest and no one is there to watch it, did it even make a sound? And then there's a screenshot of Ben Armstrong's live stream today at the exact same time as Discover Crypto's live stream. Discover Crypto has 819 people watching. BitBoy has 4,500 people watching. He just destroyed them in views today. Absolutely awesome. Good for him. Glad to see it. Guys, whether you love him or you hate him, listen, he was BitBoy Crypto. And there's no chance in hell, in my opinion, that you're going to have DZ is going to somehow be successful and run Ben's stream and keep the views and stuff like that up. It's just the channel was built around Ben Armstrong and his charismatic personality, whether you love him or you hate him, right? You can't remove that quality that built the channel and expect to somehow still foster the same success. It's not going to happen. That BitBoy, Discover Crypto, BitBoy Crypto, whatever, that's dead without Ben. Love him or hate him. I'm kind of indifferent about the guy, to be honest with you. I talked about him, I think, this morning. And I said briefly that, listen, he saved me some money. I was watching his streams about 2 months before FTX happened, right? The whole collapse of FTX. When Ben started making these videos warning people about the collapse of FTX was imminent. And at the time, before I started seeing these videos, I was seriously considering dumping money into FTT token. I was thinking about doing it. I was going to accumulate a significant size bag of it. But then I watched his videos and, the stuff he was saying and stuff. So I decided to wait to buy FTT to see what would happen. Sure enough, I would have got wrecked if it wasn't for Ben making those videos. So I will give credit where credit is due. He saved me money in that aspect. So that I appreciate. Not to mention the fact that I don't wish bad on anybody. So the man has a family to support. He has a wife and kids, and I hope that he succeeds in what he's doing. Eleanor Tourette, GOP majority anti-CBDC bill just passed out of the House Financial Services Committee. So bullish news. The bill has passed and on to the next stage. I can't remember what the next stage is. You got the floor just passed out. The bill just passed out of the House Financial Services Committee. So I'm not sure what the next step is because I'm Canadian, so I don't know the process for getting bills passed. But one more step forward for the anti-CBDC bill, and big things popping, little things stopping, guys. We got some HBAR news. Hashpack wallet, big news. We have partnered with REFERRAL World, a joint venture between Advisory DECA 4 and Kura. Together, we're launching an NFT marketplace and launchpad for their 30 to 40 million monthly users. Welcome to the Web3 revolution. We are thrilled to link up with Advisory DECA, renowned for integrating multiple use cases into Hedera, such as DIFC courts, Hyperloop, Metaverse, and Humans AI. They've got the right tech to take this to the next level. As Hashpack, we're the bridge between Web 2 and Web 3, enhancing user experience and leading the transition. Kura, the largest digital sport publisher in MENA, covering 42 plus sports, making a natural fit with their community-driven Web 2 platform. We couldn't be more excited about entering the MENA region alongside these two powerhouses. Get ready for an unparalleled NFT experience. Buckle up and let's shape the future of Web3 together. This is just the beginning. We have more thrilling updates lined up over the next few weeks. Keep your eyes peeled for waves of innovation coming your way. Web3 is here and it's never been so exciting. Lots of more announcements coming from Hashpack Wallet. Super bullish on HBAR, guys. You know that I love my HBAR over here. And yeah, super bullish news, super bullish partnership. Good for them. NFT Marketplace and Launchpad on Hashpack. John Deaton. So I was listening to John Deaton earlier today. Now, the man is 100% has 100% conviction in his opinion that the judge in the Ripple case is not Torres is not going to. She's going to deny the interlocutory appeal for the SEC. Sorry. So John, I was listening to him today. He was talking about how positive he is, how sure he is she's going to deny it in the end, and SEC's going to have to wait until this case is over. So I'm looking forward to that. John has always been bang on with a lot of the stuff that he says, and in all due respect, when he has been incorrect, he's also owned up to that as well. So I have nothing but respect for Big John D. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing if he's right on this. Hopefully, Taurus will deny the SEC's claim or application for the interlocutory appeal, and we'll keep moving forward. And the SEC can look like fools yet again. Facts, yo, let's get it. Let's go, brother. Good to see you here, man. Good to see ya. All right, Grayscale files for new Ethereum futures ETF. The time is ripe for Grayscale as it recently won a legal battle against the SEC last month. At least 12 applicants have filed for Ether futures ETFs so far. Grayscale has submitted a filing for a new Ethereum futures exchange-traded fund, reported the Wall Street Journal. The investment firm has submitted its filing under the Securities Act of 1933, unlike its previous filed submitted under the Investment Company Act of 1940. At least 12 applicants, including Volatility Shares, Bitwise, ProShares, VanEck, Roundhill, and Valkyrie Investments, have filed for Ethereum futures ETFs so far. Update, we're at 12. It's late, but I missed one today. Bitwise actually filed for 2 ETFs, equal weight and market weight versions of their dual Bitcoin and Ethereum futures ETFs. We're up to a full dozen Ether future ETF filings now. Feel like we will get another tomorrow. Since 2021, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has approved a number of Bitcoin futures ETFs, but has not approved any spot Bitcoin ETFs so far. The industry is hopeful that the regulatory body will approve Ethereum's future ETF similarly. Will the recent legal victory help Grayscale? The time is particularly ripe for Grayscale securing approval for the Ethereum futures ETF, as it secured a victory in its legal battle with the SEC last month. It all began in late 2021 when Grayscale filed with the SEC to convert Grayscale Bitcoin Trust into a Bitcoin spot ETF, but the SEC denied Grayscale's request in June of 2022, citing non-fulfillment of anti-fraud and investor protection requirements. Grayscale soon filed an appeal against the decision. Eventually, the court ruled in August 2023 that the SEC should review Grayscale's application. Judges in D.C. Court of Appeals said the commission, quote, the commission's unexplained discounting of the obvious financial and mathematical relationship between the spot and futures markets falls short of the standard for reasoned decision making. Grayscale was thus trying to convert at least one of its funds to a crypto ETF. If we look at the metrics, we can observe that Grayscale's victory completely pushed ETH's price above 1,700 price mark for a few ensuing days, but its price couldn't remain buoyant and fell to 1,600 levels soon enough. At price time, Ether was trading at 1634. Here's how you stay up to date on crypto. Okay, so we'll see what happens with the Ether futures ETF. Caspa down 10%. I'm getting a bit itchy. At this rate, I'll be homeless real soon. Yeah, but you'll be homeless for about a year and a half, but then you're going to be having a mansion. And you're going to have every single one of us here in the channel living in different wings of your mansion. So there you go, brother. Johnny, what's up, buddy? Polygon is about to release a new token to compete. It's going to be insane. I'm going to ape in YOLO style. I'm not even kidding. Who are they planning to compete with on this new token, Johnny? You say Polygon's about to release a new token to compete. What is the token and what is the utility? Is it a layer 1? Is it a smart contract platform? Layer 2? What is it? What's it called? I'll look it up myself. And of course, guys, I know how much you guys love these articles. So, is a $10,000 XRP for XRP possible for XRP price? Crypto analysts weigh in. The possibility of how high the XRP price can go has triggered heated debate amongst crypto community members over the past week. One particular forecast put the price of the cryptocurrency as high as $10,000 as Ripple advances in the payments sector. However, the validity of this prediction is still heavily debated, leading crypto analysts to weigh in on whether this price point is possible. analyst explains why $10,000 XRP is not possible. One analyst who has weighed in on the XRP price to $10,000 debate is Zach Rector. Rector? I watched a few of his videos. I couldn't really get into them. Following the circulation of predictions that the altcoin could raise to this level, Rector came forward to explain why he doesn't believe that the XRP price can climb that high. In the post that was made by X, formerly Twitter, Rector points towards the currency reset and debt restructuring as the reason behind his belief. According to him, both a currency reset and debt restructuring would have to take place before the altcoin could mount such a rally. Explaining further, Rector points towards both of these taking place before the cryptocurrency could even raise to much higher price point than $50. So he believes that instead of putting forward such price predictions, the question to be asked is, how high will XRP go before we have a reset? Another X user chimed in response to Rector's tweet to say it is possible for XRP to price to reach $10,000. However, they believe that this will only happen if the current high inflation rates are maintained. In a follow-up tweet, the user gives XRP a 5% chance to actually reach $10,000. Quote, $10,000 is possible, but that would be assuming that we maintain this inflation rate. XRP becomes worldwide cross-border payment currency of choice with no competition, and tokenization takes place at least 10 to 20% of one of the top 10 markets worldwide utilizes XRP, the tweet reads. Why the sudden bullishness on XRP price? Indicators and investors alike first turned bullish on XRP's price following Ripple's victory over the SEC in July. I don't believe that's true. I've been holding XRP for years, and people have been bullish and crazy on the price for like 4 years. But anyway, the price of the coin has risen over 60% in the days following the ruling as interest ballooned. The token's rally has since slowed down since then, wiping the majority of its gains from the ruling. However, crypto analysis remains bullish. One analyst put the XRP price at $130, while another analyst sees the price going as high as $500. XRP trading volumes, which have been nearly consistent above 1 billion, also show that investors are heavily involved in the coin. This sustained bullishness is further fueled by Ripple's exploits in the payments sector, as well as working with various countries on their central bank digital currencies. So, my thoughts, guys. My thoughts. Listen. With the size of my XRP bag, if XRP went to $10,000 a coin, this is why that's not going to happen, right? I am one person holding a rather large size bag of XRP, but in comparison to whales out there, my bag is laughable, right? So in saying that, if XRP went to $10,000 a coin, I would be the first trillionaire on the planet. Now, I ask you, does that sound realistic to you? I'm just putting it out there, right? So, perspective is everything, I guess, right? Perception is everything. Johnny, Caspa, maybe if layer 1 proof of work, I'm selling my car for it. I'll probably, I'll follow it for sure, Johnny, and I'll stay on top of it. And you know, if it's an L1, I do like my L1s. So, you know, we'll have to have a look at it at that time, and we'll see what happens. But if you hear anything before I hear something, make sure you let me know, brother. Because I am bullish on Polygon. So, all right, and we got another article here for you from Crypto Alert. Usually, this website spreads fake news, but let's have a look for fun, right? Proof of work, love it, 100%, brother, 100%. Reports suggest XRP to be included in CBDC bill by Congress. Keep in mind, you guys, that I believe that this article is bullshit, but I'm reading it for fun, right? So keep that in mind. Take it with a grain of salt. In a groundbreaking turn of events, reports have emerged suggesting that XRP, the cryptocurrency linked with Ripple, could find itself at the center of the upcoming central bank digital currency bill put forth by the United States Congress. These developments come amid the whirlwind of activity surrounding CBDCs and the dynamic world of blockchain technology. Now, there has been no proof of XRP being involved in any bill for the CBDCs. So keep that in mind. Ripple's foray into the political arena was recently witnessed as the Ripple team descended upon Capitol Hill for a series of crucial decisions in the U.S. lawmakers. In a bid to bring clarity to cryptocurrency regulations, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse shared a group of photos of their visit, emphasizing the necessity of direct interaction with elected officials actively involved in crafting cryptocurrency regulated legislation. Nevertheless, the Ripple team's presence in Washington, D.C. is just one part of a more comprehensive narrative. The U.S. Federal Reserve, represented by a senior official from the New York Federal Reserve, made a bombshell announcement at the Singapore FinTech Festival, startling many in the audience. It was revealed that the New York Fed was has clandestinely been developing a wholesale CBDC specifically designed to expedite cross-border bank transactions. This revelation has ignited discussions regarding the role of cryptocurrencies like XRP could play in the future of global finance. A pivotal moment on the horizon is the House Financial Services Committee decision to embark on a legislative markup pertaining to the issuance of a central bank digital currency. These proceedings, which commenced on Wednesday, earlier today, signal the government's keen interest in shaping the digital currency landscape and fostering innovation within the realm of financial tech. Ripple Labs, renowned for its cryptocurrency XRP, has also taken a bold step towards transforming the real estate industry through tokenization. Anthony Welfare, a central bank digital currency advisor at Ripple, has been vocal about the surging global interest in CBDCs and stablecoins. He has underscored Ripple's unwavering commitment to exploring pragmatic applications for these digital currencies, with a specific emphasis on tokenizing real estate assets. During a fintech conference in Romania, Welfare unveiled a use case that melds the digital Hong Kong dollar, tokenized real estate, and financial lending protocols. This innovative pilot program aims to empower users to tokenize real estate assets and employ these as collateral for loans, all while leveraging Ripple's CBDC platform. In its quest to tokenize real estate assets utilizing blockchain technology, the digital currencies, Ripple is poised to address the existing challenges plaguing the real estate sector. In a parallel development in the cryptocurrency landscape, the Remcom network has emerged with its native token RNT. Powered by blockchain technology, beyond offering tokens, the RENCOM network is a realm of empowerment and substantial rewards, transcending traditional properties and extending to everyday items such as bicycles and construction equipment. With ownerships taking on a dynamic twist, RENCOM network enables seamless asset utilization and delivers rewarding outcomes. Notably, the RENCOM network is rapidly expanding its footprint across over 130 countries, including the United States of America, adding another layer of the significance to its recent accomplishments. An insider source within the network has confirmed that their native token RNT, which experienced an astonishing surge of more than 3,000% in past weeks, has been granted a non-security status by their legal team. As the cryptocurrency and CBDC landscape continue to evolve, the inclusion of XRP in the CBDC bill could mark a pivotal moment in the integration of digital currencies into mainstream financial systems. With Ripple's commitment to innovation and the RENCOM network's rapid expansion, the world of blockchain and digital currencies is poised for an exciting and transformative future. Reports suggest XRP to be included in CBDC bill by Congress. Bullshit. Sorry. So there you have it. Let me know what you guys think about that. That is about all I have for you this evening, guys. What do you guys have for me? Anything you guys want to look at? Let me know. Guys, just to let you know, I did upload another video on the members side for members only. So if you want to check those micro caps and those early projects and those hidden gem videos, jump over to the members side. Big shout out to Elizabeth, who joined as a member today. So thank you so much, Elizabeth, for doing that. We're also scheduling a one-on-one Zoom so that we can have a bit of a chat, and she can ask me any questions that she wants. That's exclusively for members as well. So if you want to get in on that, definitely check out the member side. And also, guys, I keep you guys updated on what I'm buying, what I'm selling, when I'm DCAing, things like that as well on my portfolio. So check out the member side for that. Link is down below. And yeah, anything you guys want to look at? Let me know what you got me, guys. Let me know. Quiet bunch today. Quiet bunch. What else is going on? Wow, BitBoy is really collecting a lot of money, for donations. I think he said he got like something like yesterday. Within 24 hours, he had accumulated something like $56,000 in Ethereum donations since yesterday to help fund his lawyer fees against the Hit Network. It's pretty crazy. Good for him, though. It's good to see that he's got support out there. So, yeah. So anyway, guys, I guess that about wraps it up. You know, if again, check out the member side if you want exclusive one-on-one with me, guys. If you want to get down to business, look at the I can look at your portfolios and stuff. Definitely check that out. Check LBank. The link's down below for that channel sponsor. Do spot trading, leverage trading, copy trading, no KYC required. Check that out as well. And make sure you guys are smashing the like and smash the subscribe button for me too. And let's get to 1,000 subs, guys. Let's build this up. And yeah, thank you as always, you guys, for letting me come on, chat with you guys. Johnny, Elizabeth, Fax, William, love seeing you guys in the chat. Look forward to it every single day. Look forward to chatting with you guys. I'm at work all day thinking about what we're going to talk about this evening. You guys, have a fun time talking with you guys, and I appreciate you guys being around. So thank you for that. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night, guys.